Ever had your computer slow down for no reason? It might not be bad luck. It could be cryptojacking. Cryptojacking is when cybercriminals secretly use cryptocurrency, making money off you without your permission. You don't see it happening, but your device pays the price. Mining cryptocurrency takes a lot of power, and cybercriminals, of course, don't want to pay for it. So instead, they sneak their mining software onto your device, kind of like stealing a little gas from thousands of cars. One driver won't notice much, but together it adds up to a huge payday for criminals. Unlike some cyber threats, cryptojacking doesn't steal or encrypt your personal data, but that doesn't mean it's harmless. For individuals, cryptojacking shortens your device's lifespan, increases your electricity costs, and can be a hindrance on your overall productivity. The constant background mining wears down your hardware, and in extreme cases, overheating can damage components. For businesses, the consequences are even bigger. If multiple company devices are infected, the entire network slows down, impacting performance and goals. IT teams waste hours troubleshooting performance issues, not realizing cryptojacking is the culprit. And some companies don't realize they've been targeted until they get a massive cloud computing bill, all because hackers were mining on their servers. Cryptojacking can occur in a variety of ways. Compromised websites and ads, just visiting an infected site can trigger a hidden mining script. Even legit browser extensions have been hijacked to mine crypto. Malware-infected apps, that free game or app you downloaded, it might be secretly mining away. Phishing attacks, opening a sketchy file can install a miner without you knowing. Exploiting security gaps, if your system or software isn't updated, hackers can slip in mining code through known vulnerabilities. The bottom line is that cryptojacking is sneaky but avoidable. The good news? Awareness is the first step to stopping it. Up next, we'll show you how to spot the signs of cryptojacking and protect yourself.